Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Riders Republic game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the streamer safe mode within this game. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to live stream the Riders Republic game, then there is a feature that you will need to change before you start your live stream if you wish to avoid any copyright strikes. First of all, open up your game and you can go into settings, or if you're already playing, just pause and then go into options. Now from the options page, you will need to navigate to the audio tab. Use the left or right bumpers, or just click on audio using your mouse. Then you can scroll down until you reach the copyright music section. By default, this is turned on, which means copyrighted music will be played during your gameplay. So if you wish to stream your game, you will need to set this to off so that you don't get any copyright strikes. Once you have chosen your desired setting, just go back and your changes will be saved. Now after this, you can continue to play your game and stream it live as well without having to worry about any copyright strikes or content ID claims. Now if you are done streaming and you would like to enjoy the game music once again, then just follow the same steps. Pause the game, go into audio, and once again you can enable the copyrighted music. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable the streamer safe mode on the Riders Republic game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.